what are you doing, what do you want to do. And it has already been 3 years, I think 4 years, that we are seeing the state of this project, and it doesn't seem to be improving at all. We have given a final deadline to him. He has told us he will complete the entire project within 6 to 8 months. I have asked him to give it in writing, and if not, then we will terminate it. We have no other, there is no other option for that. थोड़े material आएगा हम लोग होगा. Then the next week or so he will get everything shifted and start the work. But then I don't want any time विश्वास on this contract. So I have asked him in writing and to give the chief officer as well as the municipal engineer in writing to ensure as to when he will complete, to assure us as to when he will complete this project.
So it's been 1 week that you had filed a police complaint about the missing. Now what is the status at the municipality?
The status is that I had spoken to the PI, I think Tuesday or Wednesday. He told me that he's following up with chief officer with regards to that entire complaint that I have given. So I think chief officer will be in a better position to give a response as to what, how the investigation is taking place. I'm taking regular updates from the Mamsat PI with regards to the complaint that I made, whether it is regards to the attendance as well as the files that are progressing. So as soon as they have some concrete details, only then he will give me a proper update on this.
But then what is the situation now? Still the files go on missing?
No,
Still
the situation seems to be good. Today is Friday when I'm here. I only got one complaint saying that they could not locate one file. But the file was here in the chairperson's cabin itself. So they were looking for it elsewhere, but it was right here. So other than that, everything seems to have been in a better fashion after the complaint. The response, I have put a couple of people on to get updates from the public. The overall situation seems to be better, but it should not be that when complaint केला म्हणून थोडे दिस सगळे बरे चलतले आणि 2-3 महिने उपरांत परत we are in the same situation. I do not want that to happen. I am very serious about the complaint, and I want there to be certain action that takes place on certain people that are here in the municipality that are causing inconvenience to public. I'm not, that has nothing to do with me. लोकांक त्रास नाही जाता पण ते खंय तरी ना जावचें म्हणून आमचे मागणे आसा, and I have also asked the chief officer to ensure that such things don't take place again.
So one more thing is the storing of files. The way files are kept on the windows, they are just piled up one on top of another. Don't you think municipality needs a system to have a proper filing of all this keeping storing?
Of course, that is why that entire building was proposed, so that this becomes, one section is here and another section is there. Because of that delay in that building, we are stuck here. There's also proposed a nice hall for the councillors to have conduct their meetings. Right now we are also conducting meetings wherein files are there on all sides. There was a press room, I believe, for all of the press and media, and nice sitting arrangements for all of you. So it's a very beautiful building that is proposed. But I am hoping that it is done as soon as possible. That will also solve all the other problems of lack of space that we are facing here in Mamsat.